Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the dead zones and fix stick drift on the Turtle Beach Atom controller. So the first thing that we're going to do is pair our controller to the phone and then open up the Atom app. So this is where we'll configure all of the settings of our controller. Then we're going to press on the three bars in the top left and select dead zones. And here you can check the dead zones of the left stick, right stick, and the triggers. So let's do the left stick. As you can see, I don't really have any stick drift, because if you had stick drift, it would show up as this green line. Like if you wouldn't be touching the analog stick, it would just be moving by itself. So I don't really have it, but if you do, if it's like you're not touching the stick and it's like just always like this, then what you can do is just press this plus icon and limit the amount of movement you need to start the controller's actions. So as you can see, if I had a little stick drift, it was like pointing to the right, it wouldn't activate up until this point. So this is where the controller would start working. So you just adjust it to whatever option you need to fix the stick drift, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.